show you how to put together a computer. You got certain parts. We got an Intel motherboard with an Intel CPU. You got a GeForce 8800 GTS, top of the line. Then you got Corsair, 2 gigs of Corsair RAM. And we have the monitor, CPU, and the shit. And all that. Then you got your software, you know, fucking. This is an Intel motherboard with an Intel CPU that's already installed. This is the 8800 GTS NVIDIA video card. Fuck. It's the 8800 GTS NVIDIA video card. First, what we're going to put in first is the CD drive, the CD. Fuck. Now we just slide it into the computer. The slide it goes to, it hooks in right here. Now it's different for every computer. For this computer, it clicks in right there. Now to get the motherboard, you have to work with it, because it won't. Sometimes it doesn't just slide right in right away. You have to kind of groove it in there. Just make sure all the wires are out the way. Shit. To do is to make sure it works. Plug in the monitor and plug in the power supply. The only thing left to do now is to make sure your computer works. So you just gotta plug in the power to your power supply. You plug in your monitor into the video card. Screw in the